What's up, guys? It's Gorgeous Graphs here, and welcome back to my channel. After a short break over the last few weeks, we are now back to educational videos about simple personal finance topics, and there are many more to come in the next week so you learn the basic investing 101 principles. Today we will be looking at an animation of the growth of the portfolio value of an initial $10,000 investment over 40 years. For simplicity, a constant return rate and zero volatility are assumed for this easy example of the compound interest effect. An average annual return rate of 7% was assumed to create this line chart, which could be a realistic outcome for the future if you invest into index funds like the S&P 500 or something similar. Compared to my older videos this time, we will consider the influence of inflation on the portfolio value, while taxes are still being neglected. A constant inflation rate of 3% is used, which is a realistic value for the future over a long time span. This chart and the results are actually scalable, and the intent of these videos and the whole series is that everyone can adjust the results to their own finance level. For example, if your initial investment is $50K, then just multiply the results by a factor of 5. Also, the principle applies no matter what currency is being used. The growth will be the same, but the buying power is most likely different. If the initially invested amount is €10,000 or 10,000 yen, or 10,000 pound, or in any other currency. Do me a favor and smash the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.